In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 steps I follow every single day in order to earn at least $100 per day with affiliate marketing. Hey, hello, my name is Ian Castillo, and if this is the very first time you're in my channel, let me tell you that thanks to this business model, I was able to replace not one, but 2 full-time jobs. After suffering a huge scam and having a broken mindset. If you ever experience a situation in which you are full of debts and you know that banks are calling you and they don't care who used the money. Someone open loans under your name, take credit cards and use them. You know how stressful is that? So I was forced to sell my previous business and looking not for one but 2 full-time jobs. After some time, I decided like I want to do something simple because I wasn't happy with the situation that I was actually living. Because to be honest, I was not living, I was actually surviving. So I tried several business models, including drop shipping, drop service. I tried to create my own digital product and I took 6 months. Yeah, it took me 6 months to create it and I got zero sales. After I realized that there was another way in which I can actually earn money by promoting other people products and services, which is called affiliate marketing. This is not a business model that is actually brand new. This is something that has been around since the 90s. But I know that there are some people out there who has been trying to accomplish, I don't want to say like some kind of success because success is relative. At the beginning, I was not trying to make or to replace my jobs. I was trying to earn maybe $300 extra per month. That will help me because I was in survival mode. So that's the reason why I'm going to share with you these steps, just in case that you are like, hey, I have been trying, but I'm not getting the results. There might be something that you're missing, but you just don't know that you don't know. So that's the reason why I'm going to show you the steps I follow to earn $100 per day plus with affiliate marketing. Remember that we're not going to create our own product or our own service. What we're going to be doing is that we're going to be recommending other products and services, other people products and services. So we're going to start with just one offer or what I call my main or my core offer. Okay. This is what I do every single day. I have one main program or one main offer. At the end of the day, it's going to depend up to you. It can be a physical product or it can be a digital product. I'm currently doing it both, but I prefer to promote digital products. The reason why I'm suggesting you to go that route is because with digital products, the profit margins are way bigger because there is no manufacturer cost, there is no shipping and handling. Um, there's a lot of things that are involved when you're recommending physical products, and that's the reason why the profit margins are really low. Take into consideration that if you go, for example, with Amazon and you go and you promote their products, they're really good, but sometimes you're going to be earning 10%. That's going to be your commission or less. Sometimes it can be 1 or 3%. So that means that if someone purchases a product in which they are investing $100, multiple products, or it can be just one product on Amazon, you're going to be doing like $1 or $3, sometimes $10. So I prefer to go with the digital route because the profit margins are way bigger. So that's my recommendation. But go with one, just focus on one, just one offer. That's going to be your main offer. So that means that whenever you're promoting it on a platform, and this platform can be YouTube, can be Facebook, can be a blog, can be on Pinterest, can be on TikTok, Instagram, uh, YouTube Shorts, you name it. Okay, there are tons of platforms out there. At the beginning, go and pick one. Okay, just pick one. That's how I actually got started. I know that maybe you're like Diana, but nowadays you're everywhere. But I just started with one. When I started, I actually just started with one. At that time, I was on Facebook. That was my main platform. I went all in on Facebook and then I moved to YouTube. The reason why I decided to go with YouTube is because I had two full-time jobs, as I mentioned before. So I didn't have a lot of times to be with people on DM. I was looking for a more passive way. I was like, and I actually received this advice from a friend of mine because he had a full-time job, just one, but he had family responsibilities and all that stuff. So he was like, Diana, you are spending a lot of time on Facebook. At that time was, as I told you, all in with Facebook. Go and try YouTube. Okay, go and try YouTube because people can connect with you when they watch your videos. People can understand your message, can understand, you know, can create this type of connection. And the other thing is that with YouTube, you're gonna have something that it's called evergreen traffic because YouTube, it's a combination of social network, but it's also a search engine. Okay, so that means that people are looking for information every single day, and if people are looking for information, that means that in this case, my videos were reliable. Okay, so they're gonna be there. I have videos who are driving me traffic from years, and that's the route I decided to go. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to be on camera. You can actually do what I'm doing right now, which is recording my screen. And also, nowadays with the short form content, if you decide like, you know what, I'm gonna go with short form videos, you can record 5 to 7 second videos, which you don't need to talk. Literally, you can put like some text, and people are going to identify with your messaging. Okay, and you can use one video. This is what I'm doing right now. I'm using just literally one video, and I upload that same video to all the short form content platforms. Okay, that's the route that I'm actually following. So you can actually do that. You can record one video, okay, and upload it to multiple platforms. You need to talk to just one avatar. What's an avatar, Diana? It's a specific person. Okay, the most important thing here, remember, everything starts with an offer. So you're going to be promoting a product that you like. Okay, you're going to be promoting a product that you like, that give you some kind of help, like a transformation, and that's the reason you are recommending it. So the avatar is this person that you're going to talk to. Okay, so let's say that, okay, I'm talking to a woman. Let's say that I'm going to be focus on women who would like to lose weight, but not any woman. Okay, they need to be over 30. They need to have at least one kid. Um, Chances are that they tried several routines or workouts, or they try like several diets, but that doesn't work because their lifestyle, maybe they are like super busy because they do work, they have, family responsibilities. And because I'm talking to that specific woman, okay, they're going to connect with me because they're like, hey, Diana, whenever she mentions something, she is talking directly to me. So that's your avatar. Usually your avatar is right now. If you have a full-time job, talk to that person who have a full-time job. It's you are like, I try a diet. Let's say a couple of months ago, I'm seeing the transformation. Hey, go and talk to that person. You in the past who have doubts, who were looking for information. That's the actual avatar. And take this into consideration. At the end of the day, people buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. You're building a relationship with someone, okay? You need to also have like a clear call to action. Okay, this is something that a lot of people miss. They don't have like a clear call to action. People don't know what's the next step that they need to follow if they like your content. Okay, so you need to have a clear call to action. Maybe you are doing the short form videos, as I told you, you're adding the text. Okay, you need to have a call to action. Comment this keyword, and I'm going to send you this. Leave this emoji, share it. You need to have a clear call to action. Like, they're not just watching like a TV show. They need to know what's next. Okay, what they need to do if they are committed to success. If they're committed with their success, if they're committed to do some change, what they need to do. Okay. And something super important is that you need to repeat these activities every single day. I know life happens. I know sometimes you're going to be tired. I know sometimes you're going to be sick. If you have family, things can happen. Work, do you have some season? Like sometimes, like it's like high season and everything goes crazy. But you need to be as consistent as you can. Okay, it's like I usually tell people, like, this is like working out. If you have someone who work out once a week, that person is not going to see results as fast as someone who go 3 times, 4 times, 5 times per week. Okay, I'm not telling you that you need to be perfect, but I'm telling you that you need to be consistent. I'm telling you, or I'm talking about having a commitment with yourself, having a commitment with your success. You do have everything in your power to make this happen. At the end of the day, it's going to depend, like, if you want to earn some extra cash or if you want life-changing money. If you want to learn more about this on detail, okay, check the very first link in the description. I have a full step-by-step tutorial that you can actually follow if this is something that you want to do, if this is something that you want to learn, if this is something that you're like, hey, this is my time, Diana. I just don't want to give it a try. I want to change my life. So is that you? Check the very first link in the description. This is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.